Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to show you how to change the wiper blades on this 2014 Toyota Tundra. So I only use the wiper blades from Toyota. I've tried other ones, they just don't last as long and work as good. So I'm going to be using the ones that are actually sold from Toyota. They're pinch tab. So let's go talk about them and see what part numbers they are first. Okay, so here are the brand new wiper blades from Toyota. Here's the part numbers. They got a right hand and a left hand. They are different. So the left hand is a 26 inch and the right hand is a 22 inch, and there's the part numbers. And you can see that as the actual Toyota part number tag. Now these may cost a little bit more, but I absolutely love these wiper blades because I can get 6 months, almost 9-10 months out of these. And they just really do seem to last. Now when we go out there, we're gonna be pinching these tabs and it's gonna slide out. Okay, so I found them on eBay for $21, but you do have to pay shipping with those. So they end up being about 30 bucks a piece. Okay, so pull the wiper blade arm towards you, then you're gonna pinch these tabs and it's gonna slide out like that. Now, the driver's side is the longer one. That's the 26-inch one. So you're gonna take the new one. They can be a little tricky. You wanna slide it in. Okay, so with the new one, there's a little trick. There's a little notch here. You're gonna kind of put that little notch in, kind of bend it over, and then press these tabs, and now it's locked into place. So otherwise, you pinch those tabs and kind of tilt it. That's how you get it in there. So here's kind of a picture of the old one. I got about 10 months out of this old wiper blade, and it just started to leave some streaks. And then you're gonna go over and change the other wiper blade exactly the same way. I hope my video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.